Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Dash and sort of answering the question of do I think it will go above $1,000 in 2018? Of course, I'm going to help myself with some technical analysis to answer that question, and I'm going to go over, the chart and everything. But other than that, I kind of wanted to update you on, what Dash has been up to really quickly, how the community size is growing, stuff like that, okay? And what I wanted to point out was I have made, a Dash price prediction analysis in the past. This is for 2017 to 2022. And, it's not that this prediction isn't, accurate anymore per se. It's just that, I do kind of want to give you an update on it because it was a little bit of a conservative estimate, I think, based on how Dash is acting right now. And for now, it's been, a very accurate estimate, but I think I do want to sort of answer this question of will it see $1,000 in 2018. But if you want to get maybe my more detailed thoughts on Dash, definitely go and check it out. Go check out this price prediction. I will leave a link to it in the description and in the comments below. Other than that, let's go ahead and start with the update on what's been going on with Dash. So what I wanted to point out was how much the community size has grown since my previous price prediction video on it. And I think it was at around 9,000 subscribers. It is now over 12,000 subscribers, so it's been growing very fast, and of course that's in part due to the price increase, but there's been some changes, right? It's definitely gaining some activity around several areas, so that's a very good sign. I'm very happy to see the community size growing. And other than that, if we go ahead and take a look at some of the numbers here, of course, very short circulating supply for Dash. That's very good. That'll help, really spike the price up, I think. And I love cryptocurrencies with short supplies. This is yet another positive sign in Dash's case because, with the price really coming up here, it's really going to help, put the pressure on the price to move higher because of that short supply. And Dash is, in a very competitive area right now, around the 5th market spot, currently sitting at number 7. Now, what you have to realize is I feel like Dash and its team have been taking some steps to better compete, with some of these other cryptocurrencies, of course, Litecoin, Bitcoin Gold, Ripple, Neo, the ones that are sort of around it to better hold, its high position on the market cap ranking, right? And some of those things, if I'm not mistaken, is I think they increased the block sign, kind of to compete with Bitcoin Cash and stuff. So they've really been making some smart moves and kind of capitalizing on, where they see a weakness in the cryptocurrency market. They kind of capitalize on that, it seems like. And that's something that I like a lot about Dash. So I definitely think that's going to help them, hold their position better and move higher in this very competitive ranking. And we can see that just in the chart, right? It wasn't doing much for a while, and yeah, kind of was somewhat inactive overall. And finally, they started making some moves, and the price really took off, right? So that's a very good sign in my opinion. And going back to the numbers here, volume that's been rampant, as we can see, it's been really shooting up over here. 145 million in the past 24 hours, right? That's quite large for its ranking. So that's something that I definitely think is yet another good sign for Dash. And like I said, increasing volume here as the price has been going higher, and currently right under a $5 billion market cap. So let's go into the technical analysis to get a better idea of what's been going on. And we can see that we broke above $400 initially, then $500, and even broke above $600. Now we're pulling back a little bit, and we're holding support at $600. So that's definitely a good sign. And do I think, Dash will go above $1,000 in 2018? I think it has a very good chance of doing so, right? I really think that by the end of 2018, it'll be above $1,000 and probably climbing towards 1,500, right? So that would be about a 100% increase, right, from where it is now. Basically, the price should double, I think, within 2018. So, if we look at right now in the short term, what's been going on with the indicators, MACD really in a massive uptrend over here, histogram holding its own. Now, we do have a little bit of a bearish divergence on the RSI, and what this means usually is that the price will pull back and reverse it a little bit. So I wouldn't be surprised to see that, like I said, do have a bearish divergence on the RSI as the price is going up, right? The RSI is moving lower. So that's where the divergence comes into play. And we also have some decreasing volume here over the past couple days. Now, I'm not really worried if it pulls back a little bit. If it goes towards $500, maybe comes and catches itself on this uptrend line. Any of those things are possible. Of course, the middle band over here that's currently at $473 will start moving back up, so it could bounce off that as well. Or it could maybe just consolidate around $600, right? That's entirely possible also. So we may see in the short term, in the next couple of weeks, a little bit of a pullback or consolidation. But overall, I think that it's going to hold this uptrend and really climb towards $1,000 now in the next few months, right? I'm just going to also throw in the more short-term uptrend line, which is pretty sharp right now. We may not be able to hold this one, but I might as well draw it in. And yeah, like I said, I do expect Dash to hold this uptrend line and, slowly but surely at least climb towards that $1,000 mark. What you have to realize is that $1,000 for cryptocurrencies and stocks is one of those big round numbers that the price usually is attracted to, right? It usually gravitates towards that price, and buyers, kind of carry it to that level, right? And in Dash's case, everything is looking good, so I think that we will see a break above $1,000. That might not be the first time around, right? Usually it can take 2 or 3 times to break a big number like that, but we should be able to move above it. So yes, I do think that Dash will be moving above $1,000 in 2018, and that this uptrend will hold as the price moves upwards towards that big $1,000 price level. So this is the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts on Dash. And other than that, thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a great day.